Yo, happy Wednesday. So I'm going to try and put a bulb in my headlight. I've never done this before. It's gonna be a good time. So I watched a video, right? Everyone watches the videos. And I just had to have the luck of having it be on the passenger side. So I've got to do this thingy. I'm assuming these just pop off, right? Just come on off, dude. None of the videos I watched showed them taking these bad boys off. Probably because it was embarrassing and they didn't come off very nice and easy. Well, guess what? I got more confidence than you. I'm gonna show you all my failures. That's right. What is happening? How do you do this? Oh! Oh, I got one. I got one. So, how that worked was I don't really know how it works other than, I don't know, you figure it out. Figure it out. I figured this out for myself. You figure it out for yourself. Oh, nice. What's up with this guy, though? This guy doesn't look like the other guys. I'm not even scared of breaking stuff right now. Because I'm breaking stuff. Ho 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 ho, wow. Didn't think I could do that, now did ya? Whoa, okay, yeah, we're doing stuff. Alright, so you're gonna have to, whoa, look out, there's ice. There's ice. You're gonna have to check out those other videos to see more up close to what I'm doing. This is the easier part, alright? This is the easier part, so I'm not gonna even show you. I'm just gonna do it. Oh my gosh, I'm doing stuff. Alright, I saw that there's a little clippy thing that you had to like... Come on. The other ones weren't like this. Now you see this bugger? You see this pain in my butt right now? So I was trying to flip it up and it's not going nowhere. It's not doing nothing. Flip it down, it don't do nothing. It's not doing nothing. Wish I could just pull it out. Okay, well, so I'm gonna stick my screwdriver in it. I got it. Okay, I got it. It was just pushing that thing down more, but the screwdriver helped me. Oh, they say don't touch the bulb. Oh well, it's not gonna die on me. It'd be fine. Houston, we have a problem. This is not going to fit. Dude bro, don't you love it when dude bros sell you the wrong bulb, bro? Yeah, this has got different thingies on it. So this one's nice and smooth on the edges here. And then this one's got these little clippers to clip onto something. I just saw my neighbor go by. I had to wave. So... Okay, can I just sand those off and will it be okay? Are they the same other than that? Whoa. Well, definitely none of the stuff on the back of them add up to the same stuff. Or even mean the same thing, in my opinion. I don't even know. But they're both 12 volts, so that's cool. They're both 12 volt, right? Yeah. Anyways, I wonder if I should just sand down the sides of this somehow. Cut them off. And now I don't know. So this was fun. We almost changed a headlight. And sometimes that's just how life rolls its dice. Oh. I decided I'm just gonna go to the parts store. Let's go into town. Let's go see that parts guy and say, listen, dude. Listen. I was doing a very good job of changing my own headlight. But I was given the wrong bulb. No, nah, it'll be good. I'll just walk right in there. I still got my receipt because I'm good at keeping my receipts. And yeah, trade up the bulb for a bulb that fits. That'd be cool. Yeah, that would be what's going on today. So, it's beautifully sunny. I love it. Alright, this is the update. Hannah is a numbnuts. I was trying to take out the high beam, not the low beam. So I'm at the parts store. And one of the people here is actually an old coworker of mine. Oh, they're gonna catch me being all weird. Alright, update. It is not this one. It is underneath this cap. He's gonna go get pliers or something to help me open it because he couldn't get it open either. Yay, teamwork. So, I'm at church. My good old coworker that works at that parts store helped me out. Put in the headlight, well, the bulb. It was my doo-doo. I didn't even need to take back that bulb. It was the right bulb. I was just pulling out the high beam bulb. And that's why I'm at church. To get forgiven of my dumb-dumbness. Now it's a great time. It sent me off on an adventure, and you know what? Now I'm here and gonna practice piano some more because God only knows. Maybe I never would have practiced the piano today unless I thought I had the wrong bulb. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this adventure today. Successfully got a new bulb in my headlight and got to see somebody I used to know, and now we're, you know, getting stuff done every day, doing stuff. Happy Wednesday. Or is it Thursday? No, it's Wednesday.